On question number 3, I'm converting 21 inches to yards. So I'm going to start by writing 21 inches over 1. Then I need to find my conversion, which is right here. So 36 inches is equal to 1 yard. So I need to multiply by this conversion factor. And I want to put the 36 inches on the bottom so that the inches will cancel out. So I'm going to do 21 times 1 divided by 36, and we get 0.583 repeating. And we're supposed to round to 2 decimal places, so this would be 0.58 yards. On number 4, I'm converting 21 yards to inches. So it's the same conversion factor, but this is just going to be in reverse. So it's going to be the 1 yard on the bottom and the 36 inches on the top, so that the yards will cancel out. So 21 times 36 divided by 1, and we get 756 inches.